Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Laser MFP 1188nw printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC is 32-bit or 64-bit. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds. After that, scroll down and here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP Laser MFP 1188nw printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer, and here we find our printer name. Open that link. Official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name. And here we find our operating system, and here we find our bit. If operating system or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS, select Windows, and in version select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on update. After that, this page goes to refresh, or the box goes to refresh. After that, scroll down, and here we find two IMP drivers. Go to the drivers. In a drivers, two IMP drivers. Here we find recommended drivers or basic drivers. Both are same. You can download any drivers that you want. I go with this driver, HP Laser MFP 1000. 1000 is series printer. In this series printer, our printer 1188nw is also included. Go to the recommended. Click on the download. It's redirect to another HP page, and download is started at the top. It takes few seconds or few minutes depending on your internet speed. So be patient. Wait for a few seconds. Download is completed. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and we are going to install this setup file. Basically, this setup file is a zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on OK. Unzip process is started. Wait for a few seconds. It is done. Here we find unzip folder, double click on it, and here we find our setup file, and we are going to install this setup file. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds, click on add a printer or scanner, and wait for a few seconds, and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of the installation. Click at here, and if you find port name .4_001 HP printer device HP printer, then select that. If you not find any HP port, then select USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port. Click on the next. Here we find hard disk. Click on hard disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find HP Laser MFP, our newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Go to this time printer. Double click on this printer folder. In a printer folder, SPL, find SPL. Double click on SPL. Here we find our drivers, SHM5M. This is our driver. Select that. Click on OK. Open and click on OK. Here we find our printer name, HP Laser MFP 1136, 1139, and 1188. This is our printer. In this printers, our printer 1188nw is also included. It is a series printer. Click on next. Give any name that you like. I give nw at last. HP Laser MFP 1188nw. I give this name and click on the next. It's installing our printer. It takes few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to completely and properly install this printer on our PC or laptop. After that, if you want to share this printer on a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, find our printer name HP Laser MFP 1188nw. If you find this printer at least, that means your printer is properly working and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.